This is called Jigsaw. Thanks for the reception that you've given me. I appreciate it.
These little issues you see, this piece of the kidney gonna release, you see the repeat you receive. But no need for the lease, no contract of it you can breach. These speeches be there for free. That's not how it seems, cause I pay the price. I lay my life on an instrumental to show how influential a flow. What a pen or a pencil can then do when a pen from spoken wings, when a rope will leave my heart out. Found out from when I was cast out, not a cast out, I'm starbound. So when these end credits roll, will you credit me your pleasantry? Will you exit? Did you want more right after the ending scene? Or will it be empty seats when I attempt to sequel? Attempt to see through my vision, read through my religion. You've been what I've been missing. Open a box, let's make a jigsaw. What you unlock, will you take the lid off? What have you lost? What piece is rid of? Open a box, let's make a jigsaw. Open a box, let's make a jigsaw. What you unlock, will you take the lid off? What have you lost? What piece is rid of? Open a box. You'll find no straight edges, all that you will find is frayed endings. My nervous system sits upon a curved algorithm, and that serves the mission because I want to take it right back to when I first started, when I first charted waters, when I first pied, all because that's birth. Since then I've been trying to find my worth. This bent only round to that curve, so I write going right in terms like clockwork. Observe this face, trying to see what makes me tick, makes me think, makes me click. But all of them all together, all of the woes and terror, all get sewn together. This organized threat that got in my head that makes me vomit and sweat every time I promise my best to a friend with all of the confidence set. Upon these shoulders, with no tolerant jet to the hollow and go to step up to an audience blessed needing. When I hope start dead. And that must be my starting point. Gotta work for the inside out, gotta work for being my dog. Cause a lot of words in my mouth, at home like they're in my house, written on the walls. Hit your ball claws, so I came in, spit with all the floors, so you can see the picture I'm painting.
One more little piece. How can this be beneficial? Telling issues like a severed tissue that was once a skin wound. Fought in a battle of old unraveling scrolls. To tackle the worst of the process that I have chose. Lather the soap, it need the cleansing and the gathering molds, indeed a testament to how much I have battled the growth. It's almost cancerous. So much I need an answerless. I slash for the cuts and make brews. I stand on the cusp of breakthrough like hydrogen weaponry. The science and methods that I've applied to the melodies is entwined and embedded deep into the mind that I let you see. Through my rhyme telepathy, the winding and webbing streetly to my higher destiny. So let me function on Spaghetti Junction, one end of obstruction, the other pending destruction. And I know which I can overcome. When I get oversprung and leap past my target, leap in the market with my spoken tongue. Thank you so much.